Hello students, welcome to Prayashurji YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject intelligent test, and the topic is position in queue. Now in this video we are going to see the practice test IT019 answers. So question number 1 is there. Sangeeta is standing in the middle of row and she is at the 8th place. Then how many girls are there in a row? So suppose this is a row. In this one, Sangeeta is at the middle on a 8th place. Okay. So means this side there are the 7, after 7 that is the 8th, okay, and middle means here also the 7, okay. So 7 plus 7 that is a 14 and plus Sangeeta's one counting, so that is a 15. So answer 15 means option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 2, there are 37 students in row. Sunny is in the middle of the row. Then what is his position number? So total 37. So total plus 1 we have to do. So that is a 38 and divided by 2. So that is a 19th. So 19th is the middle number or the Sunny's position number. 19th means option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 3. In an exhibition, 25 pictures of lion, horse, camel and giraffe are exhibited in this order respectively in a row. Then which animal's picture will come at 13th place? So now respectively in row means this is the first, second, third and the fourth, okay, like this. 30th place we have to find out. So this 4 means in multiples of the 4. So as we know, 4 multiplied by 3 is a 12, and after the 12 13 is there, means 4 will complete it up to the 12, and after this one this will be the 13th, means lion. So lion is the option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 4. There are 12 trees in the row planted at a distance of 5 meter each. Then what is the distance between first and the last? As we know, if any row or planted in a row or in a queue, okay, so first and the last also the counted, okay, but the distance in between this one, so means there is a difference of the 1, means the counting and the in between distance always be, okay. This is same like a cutting, okay. So now this is a thread, we are cutting here, okay, so we are decreasing, but end is not cut, okay. So now here in a plant, so end and the start, okay, these are the we have to count it, okay. So here also one tree, okay, here also one tree. So means if there is a 12 trees, okay, and the distance is there, so means for the counting of the distance from the tree means 12, we have to deduct 1, okay, then only the inside the distance will be get counted, okay. So 12 minus 1 is equals to 11 and multiply by 5 is equal distance, so that is a 55. So 55 is given in option number 3, 55 meter. Then question number 5, in a row Arya is at the 10th place from the beginning and 7th from the end. Then how many students are there in a row? So suppose this is a row, so from the beginning, so suppose this is a from the beginning, okay, 10th place, so Arya A is here, from here 10th and from the end 7th. That is the meaning, before the 10 there are the 9 girls, okay, or 9 students, and before the 7th this side there are the 6. So 9 plus 6 15 and Arya's one counting, so 15 plus 1 16 total students in a row. So 16 means option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 6, in a park number of trees to be planted in each row should be same as number of rows in a tree. If 5 trees are to be planted in each row, then how many total number of trees? So row and the trees, number of the trees, suppose this is a 1 2 3 4 and 5 trees, okay, and same in a number also the same, okay, here also the 5 and here also the trees, okay, in the same rows, all in a row in have the 5 rows, 5 trees, okay. So 5 rows and 5 trees, again I am saying 5 rows are there and each rows is a 5 trees. So this 5 and this 5, so 5 means multiplication we have to do, so that is a 25. So means option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 7, in the register or we can say the catalog, roll number of Paresh is 8th and Anthony is 16th from the end. So suppose this is a register in vertical. So from here, okay, 8th is the Paresh, okay, on the 8th, and on 16th Anthony is there. There are 16 students between Paresh and the Anthony. Then how many total names of the students are in a register? So 16th is from the end, okay, this is from the end, and this 8th is from the this one, but in between this one there are the 16th, okay, 16 students are there. So now before 16 there are the 7 students before the Paresh, and Anthony from the end 16 number means here the 15 students after his, okay. So means, and in between this one the 16 students means Paresh and the Anthony in between. Now this counting, again this counting and this counting we have to add, plus Paresh one counting and Anthony's one counting, okay. So this one and this one is a 2, 2 plus this 7 is a 9, then 16 plus 15 is a 31, and 31 plus 9 there are the 40 students. So 40 means option number 1. So this addition, this addition, this and this and this, so all these 5 numbers additions we have to do. Then question number 8, in the school playground trees were planted in a row at the distance 5 meter each. Total distance covered is 50 meter. Then how many trees were planted? So in a row, so suppose there are the 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this one. So this distance they are covered in between this one, or we can say up to the 50 meter, okay. So of course from the starting that is counted. So 50 divided by 5, so there are the 10, these are the interval distance, 10 times that is the interval distance, but from the starting means 10 is counted, but at the end 1 is there, okay. Means after the 5 meter there is a end with 1 tree, so that 1 we have to add. So this plus 1 is equals to 11. So option number 4 is the correct one. Now so question number 9, in the garden trees of mango, jackfruit, papaya, chiku and guava were planted in order respectively in a row, respectively in order in a row. Then which fruit tree is at 31st? So 34th place we have to find out. So for this one, mango respectively means this is the first, jackfruit should be the second, papaya should be the third, chiku should be the fourth, and guava is the fifth. So there are the 5 trees, and 34th order, or we can say the place number we have to find out. So 34 divided by this 5, so there is the 30 with a 6, okay, and remainder is a 4. So means after the 30th means 30th will be the guava, after this one 31st, 32nd, okay, 33rd, and then 34th. So chiku will be the 34th place. Chiku is given in option number 1. Then question number 10, there are 18 girls behind Sulochana. So there are the 18 girls behind Sulochana and 5 girls in front. There are 8 girls between Sarita and Sulochana. Then what is the position number of Sarita from the beginning of the row? So suppose this is a row, okay, in this direction, okay. So suppose here the Sulochana on the 18th, okay, means after the behind is, okay. So means from this one 18th is there, okay, from the end behind means from the end position, that is the 18 girls, sorry, here the 18th, so this is the 19th place means Sulochana is 19th place, and 5 girls in front means 5 is here means this is the 6th place, okay. That is the meaning from the starting. Then there are the 8 girls between Sarita and Sulochana. Now suppose here the Sarita SA, okay. In between this one, how many girls are there? 8 girls are there, okay. So means 19th minus 8, 11th place is the Sarita's place. So this 11th is from the behind, means from the starting. If you want to count from the starting, because from the beginning asking. So this 5 and this sixth place is the Sulochana's place. So 6th plus 8, that is the 14th, okay. So means before the Sarita there are the 14 girls, and Sarita is the 15th from the beginning, from the end 11th. So but asking about the beginning, so 15th is the correct position. 15th is given in option number 4. Question number 11, in a row of 35 students, so this is a row of 35 students, so 35 is there. Sachin is at third place on the left from the student who is in the middle of the row. So middle of the row, suppose here middle, okay. That student's left side. Now this is the left side of the students, okay. So here one, two, and third position. This is a Sachin, okay. Means two students are in between this one. Then what is the position number of Sachin from the right? From the right, okay, from the right and from the left also, okay, from this one and this one. Now this is from the right and this is from the left. So middle students number, or we can say the place where place number we don't know, so but total are the 35 students are there. So 35 plus 1 is equals to 36, and divided by 2 with the 36 there are the 18. So 18th is the place of the middle. So 18th, then 19th, then 20th and 21st. So 21st from the right, okay. And if we deducted 35 minus this after the 21st, so there is a student's name, this 20 is there, so 20 we have to deduct, then only this number will come. So 35 minus this 14, so we will get the 15th, okay. So means from this one the 15th place is there, okay. I am again saying, for deduction previous number we have to deduct, okay. So 15th and 21, so from the right first and then left number we have to count. So right 21st, so this is a 21st is given, and from the left side 15th. So this option number 2 is the correct one. Then question number 12. For a parade on a ground, the number of students in each row is same as the number of rows. If there are the 16 students in each row, then find the total number of the legs of the students who are there for the parade. Each student has the 2 legs. Okay. So suppose this is a parades, okay, in a row, and same numbers in a number of the row. So each row having the same number of the students. How many rows are there? So there are the 16 rows, and each row containing the 16 students. So there are the 16 multiplied by 16. This is a 256, and we have to count the legs, and each students have the 2 legs, means multiply by 2. So this is a 512. So this is given in option number 3. Then question number 13. In a row, 23 students are standing. Ravi is standing exactly in the middle position. So there are Pooja is standing to his right. What is the position of Pooja in the row from the given options? Okay. So we don't know from the which end, means starting or behind or left or right, but in each row. So that first of all we have to find out the Ravi's position. So total 23, and this middle is a Ravi. So 23 total students, so 23 plus 1 divided by 2, so that is a 24 divided by 2 means 12. So Ravi's position is a 12th, and which is the middle one, okay. Now after this one, Pooja is in a row from the given. Pooja is standing with his right, okay. With his right means this one, okay. So either this is a 11th, or here also as is right, we don't know which is right. So is either 11th or either the 13th, but 13th is not available in a option, so means 11 is the correct one. So that's why option number 2 is correct one, because from the given option is mentioning, okay. So that's why it may be either this or either this, but 13 is absent, means in condition this side is asking, which means which is a 11th. Now question number 14. There are some girls standing in a row. Shabana says, I am 7th in the row from the end. So suppose this is a row and 7th place from the end. So suppose this is a position from the starting, okay. So from the end 7th place, okay. So this is a Shabana's place, and then Shakila says, I am at the 12th place from the beginning, and Shabana is at 2nd place before me. Okay, so suppose here the 7th is the Shabana from this one, okay, and from the beginning on a 12th place, okay, 12th place, who is that? Shakila, okay, Shakila, and she said that Shabana is at 2nd place before me. Now, in between this one, only one girl is there, because this is first and then second. So, from this one, 12th place Shakila, and from this side, Shabana is on 7th place. Now, find how many girls are there in a row. So, Before Shakila, there are the 6 girls are there, and before this, before Shakila, Shabana, there are the 6 girls, and before Shakila, there are the 11 girls. Okay, means we can say either we will count from this position or either this one. So we will count on a, suppose on a Shakila's place. Okay, so Shakila is having this 12th place from this end. Now before this one, 11th girls are there, so this 11 plus Shakila's one counting, so plus 1, and Shakila's is on a this means second, okay, from the Shabana's. Okay, so this is 7th, then 6th, 5th. So this is a 5th from the end. Okay, Shakila is from the end, and before her, or we can say behind her, there are the 4 girls. So this 4 we have to count. Okay, so means 11 plus 1 is a 12, 12 plus 4 is a 16. So 16 means option number 3 is a correct one. So I am again repeating, this 7th place of the Shabana is given, 12th place of the Shakila is given, but the 7th is from the end and Shakila's 12th from the this beginning. Okay, and in between this one, the condition is that Shakila's means second place in front means this one. Okay, in between this one, only one girl is there. Okay, now so for counting purpose, now we will take a reference this one, Shakila. Okay, now Shakila is on a 12th means here the 11 girls, so we have taken the 11. Now Shakila's place from the end we have to count. So with the reference of the Shabana, Shabana is from the end 7th. So one girl in between this one, that is the 6th, and the Shakila is 5th. So 5th position from the end 5th of the Shakila, and behind her there are the 4 girls. That is the meaning. 5th means there are the 4 girls behind her. Okay, so these 4 also we have to count, and Shakila's 1 position means her counting also 1, that is. So total there are the 16 students or 16 girls are there. Okay. Question number 15. In a row, if after first boy there is a 1 girl, after second boy there are 2 girls, after third boy there are 3 girls, and so on. In this way, there are 13 students standing in a row. Then how many students are there in a row? Okay, so suppose this is a boy first. Okay, after the boy, one girl is there, so G is there. Okay, suppose for the counting purpose, so I will just mention this is a 1 and this is a 1. Okay, 1 1. After this one, how many again the boy is there. Okay, so that is a 1 boy, and then 2 girls are there. Okay, I will just mention the 2 girls. Then again the boy, 1 counting, and the 3 girls. Okay, as per this one, so G 3, again the 1 boy. Okay, and the 4 girls are there, so I will mention the 4. Counting is I am mentioning on the top because I am not making the complete lines. So then again the boy, so 1, and then girls are the 5, means ascending order. So then 1 boy and girls are the 6. Okay, then again 1 boy and then girls are the 7, and again one boy and girls are 8. So there are the total 36 students, so up to the 36 we will count. Okay, so this is the arrangement we have done. Now 1 plus 1 2 3. Okay, 3 plus 2 is a 5, 6 6 plus 3 is a 9, then 10. So up to here 10. Okay, for our reference purpose, then 10 plus this 4 14 15, this 20 21, then 27 28, and this 35, and then 36 means up to this. So this is we have to count, so up to here. Okay, so this is the 36. Okay, means there are the 36 students. Now this is the arrangement we have done. Now how many boys are there? So this is a 1, then 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So there are the 8 boys. 8 is given in option number 2. Thank you.